All right, good morning, good morning. It's the new year. Let me send this out. I have so much I still need to do. I have so much I need to do. All right. Oopsies. Okay. Good morning, good morning. Happy New Year. I need to do so many things. The chop sun is good. I need to fix LIS. And I didn't even post it today, but whatever. It's fine. It's all the way down here anyway. All right, cool. All right. I need to get my life together because I forgot last night when I went to bed because we've been on vacation or like not trading for so long. Hi, Bill. That I didn't set up my scalper stuff because all of last week we weren't doing it. So I just had to set it up now really quickly. So Santa special. So I will, if you guys have questions or anything, I'll look at that in 1 second. All right, Santa special is now on. And the NQ, and this is late but it's fine because it's not gonna be live anyway. The NQ pink, which is our favorite. That's good. Okay, cool. And I don't have to do ES or RTY or YM anymore because they're all like on hold. Hey, Brandon. Hi, Terrence. Happy New Year. Welcome, Terrence, into the group. I hope you're finding everything. Oops, easily. I just ran my chair into my PC dock thing, whatever. All right, it's 9:23. I gotta get on TikTok. All right, I think we're good now. I have all of my ranges. So NQ range, ES range, CL. CL's 1-for-1 overnight. I just noticed that. I'm like, oh, did it make any trades? Yes,
Order
it did.
submitted.
It took a short here. Let me turn this down. All right, and then I think I'm ready, actually. So I wasn't so far off. If I want to do a fast or a slow this morning, I do need to set that up. Maybe I'll do a slow. I think the market's going to be pretty crazy because today is typically going to be like a Monday. Good morning, Eduardo. Today's going to be like a Monday since obviously the market was closed yesterday. The market gapped up pretty big last night, and then sorry, I'm like getting distracted with emails. Alright, I need to just close this out. I wonder, Brendan, if it went to spam, because I don't see it from last night, but I'll look after this call for sure. I was doing some work last night and then I was just like, I want to relax. So let me put the text here and then I need to get on TikTok. So most of you are familiar with this gray area. It's my chop zone. I give it to my members every day. Actually, you guys are going to be really excited because I'm going to start giving it to you every day by 7 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. because we do sometimes have a move like this today. This was 7 a.m. So you would have been given the zone and you would have had the heads up when we were in the zone before it left. And now, obviously, it did come back at 8. So today people could have been able to take advantage of this bounce. That was actually a really nice pullback. But sometimes, like the one day last week, the 7 a.m. All right. And it's only... All right, sorry, lots of questions. All right, let me get on TikTok. It's 9:26, and then if I want to set up,
middle class.
if I want to set up, I probably need to take this little thing off in the back. I swear we come back and you think like things would be chill, but today is going to be so hectic, like personally. A student session today, a student session tomorrow. I have to get my nails done today. I actually had a nail break, and it typically doesn't happen because I've been going consistently every 3 weeks. But yeah, I think my little pinky was too long. All right, I'm going live on TikTok, and then I will set up the. I don't know if I should do fast or slow. I feel like I need to figure that out. Good morning, TikTok. All right. I need to move that. I need to shut this. All right, market's going to open in 3 minutes. Good morning. I haven't decided fast or slow yet. I'm going to do one of them. Maybe I'll do fast. I wonder what that one is. Sometimes I need to name these a little better because I'll do fast. Hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning. First trading day as member. Yay! Justin. How did I not notice that you joined, Justin? I feel like Justin F. I would have been like, oh, I know that person. Well, that's super cool. Welcome. I'm happy to have you. All right, I put fast on. All right, so we have fast, we have NQ pink, the pink scalper, we have Santa special, and then we have ES range, NQ range, oil, CL range. CL is already 1 for 1 on the day for $300. It took this short. I go live every day if you're new here from about 9:20 to 10:30, showing you my auto trading algorithms, trading the futures market. So if you want more info, just reach out. Feel free to ask any questions that you have. So yeah, this is oil. It took this short at 5 a.m. So we were sleeping. Again, this is fully automated. It left this box. It took the trade, and we made $300. So that is bueno. And the market's going to open in about 1 minute. So the stock market, even though the futures market is open 23 hours a day, a lot of our action is, just email me so I can give you the information. I don't want to put that information here on the live stream. ABD, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com and my admin will give you the information. Oh, we're in $150 long on fast. Oh, now it's done. All right. We have fast, we have Santa, and we have the pink, and then we have all of our regulars. All right, fast is in a long. Fast might be crazy today because it is like a Monday. That's what I was thinking. I probably should have gone with slow, but it's okay. It's just for entertainment value anyway. Yep, if you just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com, I will give you all the information you need. All right, so we're pulling back here. This is the 20-minute chart, so this is just a bigger overview that I like to look at. So we had a really nice move up from the chop zone. Again, this zone is given to my members every single day. It's a proprietary zone, and it's given to my members by, we're in an $800 short on fast. Look at this. All right, it just took profit there. Also, oil is, I'm testing this one oil setup, and it's green, like $2,400. And it's still in a short. All right, so this got back in that short. Fast is moving fast. We really pulled back at that open. Look at that. almost right to the chop zone. Thanks for the follows. Oh my gosh, I feel so much better. Hey, Paper Chaser. All right, so we're green in this long for $300. The fast is actually doing pretty well. It's green $500 plus this 300 here. So what was it been 1 minute? $800 in 1 minute. Hi, Ian. Ian. The win rate is a good question, but it's unknown on the fast because we don't run it every day. Like, I try to, but it's a hot mess sometimes. Now it's green 500. I feel like there are certain days. So this is where it does really well with a lot of volatility. So like Mondays, even though today's a Tuesday, today is pretty much like a Monday with all of the days off and the weekend. This is NinjaTrader. If you want more info, you can just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. But our win rate on range, which is our most conservative and the one that pretty much everyone in the group uses, is 88% on the year of 2022. Now I can't say on the year because we're in a new year, but yeah. We're getting a flag on the pink. Yeah, this is NinjaTrader. I can show you. NinjaTrader. So this, the fastest green, $750 now, and then it's in this long. Hi, John. I'm so happy to hear that you are enjoying the mentorship videos. I'm really excited for you. Feel also... All right, so this long is still going, $360. Thank you, Justin. That's helpful. Make sure you take advantage of the student channel because it's really going to be helpful. Well, this is a nice long. $500 on this long. We're already green $740 on the open so far from the fast. I'm going to write this down. See, these are times when I need to take more notes on fast or slow so I can be like, oh yeah, this one's better. But I feel like I need to run both in tandem to actually have that information. Fast Mondays. I'm just going to put an arrow and put Mondays. Mondays. Check. And then later I'm going to be like, what does that even mean? No, I'm not. All right, it's in a short now for $350. It's green $1,200 on the morning, and it's been 4 minutes. And this is on one contract, so you can see that here. There's just one contract. It also says it here. Close one at this, short one at this, close one at this. So it's just one contract. And now, I do talk about this a lot. Once it has these big movers, like especially like this one, it usually starts to get chopped up a bit. So that might happen here. Like I had someone comment the other day, they're like, oh, why are you taking long when the market's short or something like that? And like this is just how scalper works. So, and it works really well. But fast, something like this that's on a much lower time frame can get chopped up after a little bit. So right now it's green $1,420. I would probably be done for the day in, 5 minutes. There's no reason to keep pushing it. So this is the breakdown for this morning. It's taken 10 trades and it's green $1,400. Well, it's green on this trade now too, $100. But the point is, how greedy are you going to be with, 4 minutes of your day? And this is only with one contract. So now it's green $1,365. Wasn't it just $1,400? Did it have a loss? Oh, it had a loss here. Yep. And now it's short again. Sorry, I'm going to move this bottom up a little bit. So I would definitely be done with it here. It's green $1,285. See how it's getting chopped up now? It's really just staying in this one area. And it's like having issues. Here. and like even up here. So I would be done with this. And what time is it? 9:36. But certain days it will actually start off a little rough and then it will get better. So it's not like you can say, oh, let's just trade it from 9:30 to 9:35, because some days at those times it might be a little more rough or a little more like back and forth, and then it gets out of its like rough area and then has a huge run. So this is why it's hard to find setups that work really well. And I'm going to just turn this off now because it doesn't really matter. We came back down almost to the chop zone and we've bounced back up. Let's see if we can stay over this 11,000. Oh, well, I was going to say 110. So it's not contracts per day, ABD. This is one contract per trade. Again, this only runs for a little bit of time, but this is not the setup that we use every single day. The ones that we use are range. They don't start until later, and they have a maximum of 2 trades per day. So like down here, oil has like this one. Oil already took 1 trade today and it made $300. It can only take 1 more and that's it. ES hasn't taken any trades yet and it can take 2 trades a day. And then NQ on this chart can take 2 trades per day. All right, well, Fast is now in a $400 long. But something like Fast, there's no limit to how many trades it can take. But it can only trade within the time you have on the settings. So my settings are only allotting like an hour of time. So out of that hour, it can take as many trades as it can take. Yes, this is Fast Scalper. Fast Scalper, it was as green as $1,400. I would have easily been out somewhere around there, because then it got chopped up 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's back to 1,100, but there's no need to let yourself get chopped up and then you're paying fees and commissions on top of this. Take your little bit of money and be done. You know what I'm saying? So I would be done with Fast now. I'm going to turn that off. It made $1,000. Cool. And again, that's not on my live account, but it's just to say, if you were implementing that, because it is in the group, people can use it if they want to. Just trying to show, the correct way to kind of approach something. Hey, Coach. Santa hasn't taken any trades. We'll see if we get any there. NQ is really bouncing. So we came back to the chop zone, essentially, and just flew right back up. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thanks for the follow, Ro. All right, oil's in a... I don't know if I want to show this. Oil's in a trade. It actually had 2 losses recently, but it's in a long right now for $170. $200. What do you mean, King? Oh, you think we're going to turn around and go back down? Did you see the move up last night? Because I don't want a silent keyboard. I intentionally bought this clicky keyboard on purpose. You know, I haven't sipped my tea once. Don't I sound so much better? I'm so excited. But also, if you're on YouTube, you don't hear it as much because my YouTube mic is like much further away. I've never had a quiet keyboard. Well, maybe for like 2 months. But you've been gone for so long, it's been like, we don't even know the quiet keyboard ever existed. David, listen. Oh, David, did you sign back up? Did you say you were coming at the first of the year? It is January 3rd. Thanks, Terrence. Yes, I agree. I'm on an antibiotic, and I still have to take like 4 more days of it. But yeah, I'm definitely going to continue taking it because I felt like crap before. Hi, Jen. I miss you. I missed you. I hope you had a nice holiday with your family. I hope it wasn't too cold down there. It was freaking freezing up here. But yesterday it was like 60 degrees, and today, or 50 degrees. 2 days ago it was like 60 degrees. And then yesterday it was like 50 degrees. It was so nice. Hi, Crazy. How are you? All right, so no trades right now. We pulled back to the chop zone. Again, for my members, I'm going to start giving the chop zone at 7 a.m. You guys are going to be so happy. I just know it. So the LIS, which is the yellow level that's out of sight today down here, the LIS is a proprietary level that I teach my students how to draw, but I also provide it to all of my members every single day by 7 a.m. And then the chop zone right here is a proprietary zone, and I typically post that by 8 a.m., but we are now going to be posting that at 7 a.m. So all of you early birds will have access. Oh, is that Santa? Santa's in a short. Why is this not on the right one? Oh, I'll change it now. Santa's guaranteed green. Santa's in a short. Look, King, you might get your trade. Oh, I have to post Santa because it's the new year. Or green, $260 on the Santa special. 82 today. Oh, that sounds beautiful. I will be somewhere warm next week. I'm traveling on Sunday, but I don't know if I'll have time for the lives. It would be Monday, Tuesday. What time do I fly back on Wednesday? No, I think I fly back. Yeah, I definitely can't do a live next Wednesday, but I'll keep you guys updated as it gets closer. I'll try to still do a live Monday and Tuesday, but I'm just taking a quick trip. I just have to handle some business stuff, and then I'll be back. All right, $700 on Santa. I gotta give you guys this. I forgot. Guys, this is one contract. You see this right here? One contract. One contract of the NQ costs me, like, I have to have $1,000 in my account. That's the margin needed for this trade. And don't get confused when I say margin. It has nothing to do with what you think of a typical margin account with stocks. It's very different. It just means the amount you need to have in your account to take this trade. And if for some reason you dipped below that amount, they would physically take you out of the trade. So that's why I tell my members you need at least $7,000 to take this trade, even though it only costs $1,000. All right, we're green, $900 on this short. From a beach, yeah. I probably won't be streaming at 9 a.m. from a beach, but maybe I'll be on a lanai or something. All right, so while Fast is kind of still in testing, Santa is pretty much ready to go. Like, Santa's great. So it locked up that trade there, $730. I'm going to post it. I'm going to post it for the group right now before I forget, because I have a lot of running around to do today. I have to go to the bank. I have to get my nails done. I have to go by a few places and drop some stuff off. I need to return something. Are any of you those people that won't return something until all the kids go back to school? Like, I refuse to go to the mall or go to any store after Christmas and then before kids go back to school, because I know, like, all of the young kids are going to be, like, buying stuff with their gift cards or returning stuff, and I'm like, I'll just wait a few more days. All right, so this is the Santa special. It's now in a long. It's green, $730 from that first trade. All right, so it took a loss there. The great thing about Santa is the losses are only $200, which makes it ideal for this type of a market. And now we're in a new short. I think I'm going to do, so my nails are still red from Christmas. I think I'm going to do like, this is a guaranteed green trade. You can see that here. It moved down. I think I'm going to do like a cream color, like a skin tone. I really like those. They're doing so well, crazy. Fast was green, $1,100, and I turned it off, but it was as high as $1,400. I gotta put that in the results tab. And then Santa is green, $530, and then this short, which is green, $500. Oh my gosh, I didn't even make a new template for this week. I was really in vacation mode the past few days. Like, I'm not doing anything. Are we below the chop zone yet? No, but we're heading back to the chop zone, King. And we're green, $730 in the short, $780, $80, $70, $1,000. Let me take a screenshot really quickly because I haven't taken any screenshots this morning. You guys should be proud of me. So this is the third trade on the Santa special, which is on Scalper. I'm going to put it in white. 1,070 on this short. Can you see this? Yeah, you can. Cool. All right. I want white. 1, 2, 3. And then people say, oh, do you have any losses? Like, yeah, we just had a $200 loss. What do you want from me? But right now we're green like $1,500 on this one strategy with one contract. Sometimes I act like I don't know how to spell stuff. No, but honestly, February and January always seem to get me. I'm not sure why. Look at that perfect exit. That was really nice. So we're green, $1,325 on Santa so far. And that's 3 trades. You can see here, the only losing trade was that long. And we're green, $1,325 so far off of 3 trades. Yep, the account size is always around $10,000. But you can run this with as little as $7,000, just because the stop loss is pretty conservative. Tom, I don't have that information. You can just message me in the group. You can go back and look. On the settings spreadsheet, we have that entire tab called results, and that's the entire reason we have it. So you can see all of the forward testing results. and go from there. For sure. All right, it's 9:51. Oh, look, King, where are we at? Oh, no, we're sitting at the chop zone still. We're kind of bouncing around. It's 9:50. It might get a little choppy right here. Okay. Oh, my God. I feel like there's so much talking. What time is it? 10 o'clock. All right. We're in another short here. King's going to get his wish. We're going to go below the chop zone. I could put it on all charts to make it easier. Andy will be ready. Look, there we go. $500 on the short. So we had that other little loss on the long. We're green, still $1,125 plus this $700 short. That's my boy. We're going to have to, like, team up with him. Yeah, so just look in the settings spreadsheet, Tom, under the results tab, and you can go back and see all of them. Now, as I've mentioned before, everything in the results tab is 100% hands-free. The results that are there are from trades that are not being touched in any manner at all. I need to, like, suck my nose up, but it's going to be so gross. I just feel like I can't function if there's like phlegm in my throat. All right, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, but and this is why we like to talk about it in the group, because we have certain things that are happening within the market that we discuss in the group that I'm not going to discuss on the live stream, which would determine if you're going to interfere at all with any of your trades on the scalper. So that's why it's really important to understand the difference. And that's why no, I'm much better, but I'm on an antibiotic and I still have like 4 more days left. I feel much, much better. Like, I'm hardly even getting headaches anymore. Like, I feel like I have a little headache right now, actually. But no, I've been feeling much better. Thanks for asking. Oh, I could have left the holiday because yesterday was a holiday. And then today, what do we have? $1,100 on on fast. Battle at the chop zone. All right, we took profit there. We're green, $1,670 on Santa. Let me show you guys. And it's taken 5 trades. 5 trades. Mark, when are you joining? I thought you were joining after the holiday too, or even before then. $1,670. 1 contract, 5 trades. Mark, when are you joining? You've probably taken the longest to get your that account set up. I just like to give you a hard time. Hi, David. It's not even intraday, it's all day, Terrence. And that's what I try to tell people. The margin on a futures broker is going to be so much more favorable to the trader than it is on like a big broker like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade. No, not you, Mark. I'm talking to you, Conquer. He keeps saying that. Yep, I'm joining. Yep. But yeah, because I used to use TD Ameritrade, and I didn't know that there was something different, but there is. There are futures brokers that love people that trade futures. The longs haven't been working out here. It's also 9:50 to 10 o'clock, so... Nice, Dennis. Yep. Irma and Amy will help you get you all set up. We have an all-girl team here, which is amazing because we rock. And then we have Justin, and we love Justin because that's our Justin. Right, Justin? All right, it's 9:57. It got chopped up a little bit, still not super affecting the bottom line. Still green, $1,270 for absolutely no touching, no interfering. And it's still running. So, whoa, look at this. King called it. At this? What does at this mean? Yeah, there's a bunch of people in my group that are former floor traders. I think when my first former floor trader emailed me, I thought it was like so cool. And then I've realized there's so many of y'all. Like, there's gazillions. You'd be like, oh, I used to work on the, commodities floor. Oh, I used to work on this. I'm like, oh, so cool. And now I'm just kind of not really fazed by it anymore. Like, we all had jobs before. Most of us still have jobs. Yep, King's the man. All right, I have my oil that's being tested is in a short. Our other oil, our super conservative oil, is 1-for-1. All right, what's going on? Nothing really. We're green $1,300 on this, which is the Santa special. We're green $300 on oil. 1-for-1. NQ Pink took a short before the short started happening, and it was a full loss of $700. And then my oil being tested is green 2,300, and it's in a short. Ooh, I have a level here. I have a level at 10,990. This is not a 15-minute candle, but yes, it's very big and very red. Yeah, no, we do a lot around here. Because it's all done for us. Like, I could still be sleeping and all of the same stuff would be happening. Like, this oil trade was at, what time did I say, 5 in the morning? 5:08 a.m. I was sleeping. Nope, I don't do pairs and I don't do currencies. So, I'm sorry. I cannot. Correct. Oh, I was going to do that just now. I forgot. What did I tell Justin? 28? 24. It's 10:01 a.m. Happy we're not getting caught up in this chop right now. Just bouncing around. We had that big drop. Now we're bouncing. We'll probably continue. We'll see. The LIS is down here around 10,950. See if it wants to take another little dive. Santa Special 1270. Alright, I'm finally getting stuff together. What's the trade about? I don't really know what the question is, but the live stream is about my auto trading algorithms that trade for me on the futures market. And that's what we're showing here. We're just not in any trades right now. Like 0 trades. But this strategy has taken, what, 5-6 trades, and it's made $1,300. It was as high as, what, 1,600? For 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Double D on TikTok has so much gone. I don't. Not sure what that means, Dennis. Justin with the heart. Alright. Oh, why does it look like that? I'll change that. Can I sign up the VPS on my work computer? No, the VPS can go on any computer imaginable. It can go on your cell phone. It can go on your iPad. The VPS can open up anywhere. That's the whole point of the VPS, is you can access it anywhere. What do you trade for experience or binary trades? What? I have no idea. I trade futures. This is the futures market. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. VPS is a virtual private server, and I suggest everybody in my group has it. Because it gives you a really strong internet connection. It's going to have your orders go pretty quickly to the exchange, as well as you're never going to lose power. So like if your house loses power or your house loses internet, you know, your trades will be safe and you will still have access to all of that from like your cell phone or iPad or whatever. So we're continuing this short here, probably down to 950. Do you get the VPS then download NinjaTrader? Yes, exactly, Keith. So you have to get the VPS first, and the VPS does take about 6 or 8 hours to be completed. So they're literally building an entire server just for you. So keep that in mind. I always tell people to get on top of the VPS right away because it does take 6 or 8 hours, whereas the other things don't take very long. Like once your money's in your account, signing up for market data takes about 2 seconds. Signing up for, you know, the NinjaTrader lease or the lifetime takes about 2 seconds. So the VPS is really the time consumer when it comes to being like ready to go. So yes, so you need to download so you need to get the VPS, and then once they have it ready, they will email you. Sometimes the email goes to spam, so keep an eye out for that. And then you would download NinjaTrader on to the VPS, just like I have here. You guys can see NinjaTrader on my VPS, and then you would open up NinjaTrader on the VPS, and then you get everything set up, and then it's all on your VPS all the time. And then you can access your VPS from anywhere because it's literally just a server. It's just like, this is my real computer, and this is my VPS. And then when I leave the house, I pull up the VPS on my phone. I pull it up on my iPad when I'm sitting at lunch. You guys have probably seen my posts on social media where like we're in a trade and I'm at lunch. So yeah. All right, so kind of just hanging out here. It went down to that central. Hello, I've put 200 in my Binance account. Yeah, no. I don't do anything with forex. I mean, I don't do anything with crypto. If anyone ever messages you, it's not me. If they talk about crypto, it's not me. Those are all imposters. I don't have anything to do with crypto. The only thing I trade are futures. And if you get a follow request, it's not me. I do not follow anyone. Like, if you look at my TikTok account or my Instagram account, I follow like 5 famous people and that's it. Or I follow, some people that mount TVs because I think it's really, like there's this one guy that puts like 85-inch TVs on the wall by himself and I just think it's really cool. But I do not follow so if someone just randomly follows you and it looks like me, it's probably not me. So that should be a warning for you. And then they're probably going to DM you and say, hey, you should sign up for this. And that's not me. And then they're going to say, hey, put money into a wallet, which has to do with crypto, and that's absolutely not me. I would never tell you to do any of those things. So please do not fall for these imposters that are trying to act like they're me and then get you guys all pulled in, because I will never do that. If you want information from me, then I give you that information for you to reach out to me. I'm never just out here DMing people. That's not my thing. So, and if you DM me, then yes, I will respond. But I will never follow you and I will never DM you first. So just keep that in mind. And I will never talk about crypto, ever. Because there's been a bunch of people, even on Instagram, saying, oh, there's another imposter, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So if you want to get this bot, again, you can email me, and that's the safest way to get in touch with me. Just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com, and I will send you an informational email. The informational email will have all of the things you need to do to get set up, as well as a discounted link for the first month. You cannot find that discounted link anywhere else, so you will have to email me at some point if you want the discounted link to the algorithm. And the discounted link is only for new members, so if you're returning, that would not be valid for you. You could just go through my website and sign back up, or email me and I'll send you the full payment link. Pretty much, Ramaz. Is this LTC? No, I don't know what that is. These are futures. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. I only trade futures. Futures are life. I trade the NASDAQ. I trade the S&P 500. I trade the Russell. I trade the Dow. I trade gold and oil. And then I keep saying we're going to get natural gas in the mix, and I just haven't figured out a system yet. So I need to get on that. I had a nice, relaxing few days kind of off. This is NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader to use my auto trading algorithm. NinjaTrader. All of that is in the informational email. So if you just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com, I will give you all of that information. And it's all listed out like step by step. You can also use a funded program. I had one of my buddies yesterday. He posted how he passed the funded program. It was a $50,000 account that he has with Apex. Super happy for him. Fabian, so proud of you. So he got funded using my auto trading algorithm. He's also a student of mine. So super proud. Or maybe, actually, he's not a student of mine. I just double checked. But he's only using the auto trading algorithm, and he's killing it. And he got fully funded. So I don't talk about stocks. So let's see if we can drop now to that 950. 10,950. Yeah, have sign of the bot payments done. Nice. ABD. Awesome. Did you do Zelle? Oh, or did you end up just doing PayPal? I think I just saw PayPal. Because I didn't see a Zelle notification come through. Delete. Isn't it so weird when you get emails of things that you were talking about but you never like searched it? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Yep, we got it. That is a NinjaTrader issue. That's not us. Licensing is not something that goes through us. All right. Is NinjaTrader giving lifetime discounts? Yeah, they were. I don't know if it's already ended, but it was through the beginning of the year. I think it was $300 off if you do. I think it was $100 off the lifetime, but I also always have that. So even if the deal is done, you can just reach out to me and I can, once you join, I can give you the code and then they'll refund you $100. So they want you to pay the full amount up front and then they're going to refund you on the back end. So still no trades. We are creeping down to that 950, which is the LIS that I give my members each and every day. Yep, it's nice and slow. It kind of hung out at this level for a bit, this 10,990, and now it's just nicely dropping a bit more. Oil's in a short. It already hit TP1, and this is the oil I'm testing. I don't know about 3 weeks or Maz, but you get 1 free month in the group. If you're taking if you're asking about the mentorship, you get 1 free month in the group where you should be trading on simulation. Like, can you, from the knowledge, can you trade live after that? Like, you can, but I don't know if it's really suggested. We don't really talk about a timeline that often, but I would think most people would need to trade in simulation for at least, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months. I don't know, Marty, but I guess I would say yes. Like, not my levels. Like, these are my levels. They aren't, like, programmed in there. It's a good question, though. But do you see here how this is my LIS for today? And do you see how the algo is respecting it? But that's also just price action. Like, it wouldn't really matter about the algo. You know what I mean? I don't know. Don't really know how to answer that question. But we went right to 950. Yeah, like if you have prior trading experience or futures trading experience, then you could probably start trading manually sooner. But the algorithm is, everyone can be live after like 1 or 2 days. That's why the algorithm is great, because the biggest thing with manually trading is you have a lot of emotions tied up. You're not really sure if you're doing it correctly. You don't know where to get in and out. Obviously, like, I teach that in my mentorship, but people still are super psychological and like their minds just play tricks on them. But with the algorithm, it's essentially you turn it on and then and then you go about your day. I don't know what I just pushed with my arm. You just go about your day and it takes the trades regardless. That's why I do still notice people that watch the algorithm that get in their own way, which is really frustrating, because they will start like moving stuff around or closing out early or taking profit, and then it goes to like full target. And I'm like, guys, stop touching. How one get the trade not? What, Brian, what the hell does that even mean? The pink got slammed today. I would definitely not say it got slammed, CSR. It took 1 trade and it was a loss. That's absolutely not a slam. Oh my God. In the month of November, Pink, 100% hands-free, made $20,000 on one contract. If you can't afford a $700 loss, then you shouldn't be trading minis. You would be trading micros. And micros would be a $75 loss. So I don't think, when you put it into perspective, it's not actually a big deal at all. I'm getting back at it. Like, what does that even mean? No, you were right the first time, Kevin. You. Oh, the second word. Is there a max loss per day setting? Yes, you can. Absolutely. There is a max loss per day. There's a max gain per day. So even if you said, I'm going to let the algorithm do its thing, but once I make $1,000, I want everything to be turned off. Yes, that's absolutely a setting in NinjaTrader's portal. So you can't do it with like a funded account, but you can do it with a cash account with NinjaTrader. Yes, absolutely. You can do a max loss per day. You can do a max loss per week. You can do a max gain per week, a max gain per day. Yep, that's me telling you like it is, because, like, what does that even mean? Feel free to tap the screen. There's only 600 likes. Tap the screen, show some love, give a thumbs up on YouTube, please. It all helps other people be introduced to this channel that then might have the same interest that you do in trading, and then they can get this information. And then we can all be one huge happy family in the group. All right, we're going below that LIS, so what's next? This is next. 10,915. I guess I should have stretched this out before. I apologize. But my students already have this information, so. And they're really the people, like, besides obviously my Algo members too, but they're the people that I care about more, obviously more than like a free live stream, if that makes sense. My students already have this, so. So they're aware of what the next level is. All right, Rob made $2,100 today. He's one of my students. Nice job, Rob. Justin made $690. Good job, Justin. My Justin. Awesome job, guys. Even last night, some people. Zach made $1,100. All right. Why the background? Oh, actually, I get a lot of hate on my background. I really like it. I like a picture other than just a black background. I don't know. I think it's pretty. Clearly you don't. That's okay. And this is why when you have your own account with NinjaTrader, you can make your background whatever it is. And don't worry, I didn't take any offense to that. Yours is waves. Super cool. Yeah, I have a beach one too. Beach, mountains, anything like pretty outdoors. I should do one with a whole bunch of like a forest. I love really green trees. Even though green isn't my favorite color. I just think it's so pretty. All right. Once I get off this call in 10 minutes, I have to check Brendan's homework. I have to check Whitney's homework. And that's about it. And then I have to, oh, we're in a trade. Santa's in a long. We'll see if this works out. Is there now a sell exit signal? I have no idea what that means. Again, this is all fully automated, Marty. 100% automated. It gets, like, I didn't even know I was in this trade. It gets you in the trade. It gets you out of the trade. It moves the stop loss into the green. Closing of sell. It doesn't make any sense. There's no alert for anything. You literally just turn it on and it trades for you. This is not an alert service. This is a fully automated algorithm. Just email me, John. The email that you used for the that was sent to you from the mentorship videos. boldanalysisllc@gmail.com. I love Carter. He's like, everyone, do yourself a favor and just sign up for the bot. just do it. Yep, very cool. Ba 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 ba. All right, so it took a little loss there. Still green, $1,070 on the day. Again, this is fully automated. It's been on for about an hour. It's going to try this long again. It's green, $1,070. At any point in time, you can turn this off. Or if you had a NinjaTrader, my max gain for the day is like $1,500. It would have hit already, and you would have been out of everything with $1,500 on the day. Do you ever have loss days overall? Yes, we do. Oh, look. We definitely do. And let me tell you when the last losing day was. They're not that often because range, which is this, is 88% on the entire year of 2022. So it's typically they offset each other. Like if you have a loss on one and then we have a win on another. Okay, so we had a red day. Oh, no. We had a red week. October 23rd, range on NQ was red 600, but the pink was green 8,500, so that doesn't really work. Let me see. Hold on. Last week, everything was red, but that was only because of Friday, because everything was actually green before that. Let's see. Nope, this is still $2,500. Typically, we had a red day on Friday, December 9th. We had a red day. Pretty much everything was red. So there you go. That was a red day. What is the win? Hashtag MULN. Well, I don't speak hashtag, so I have no idea what that means. Need your help. I also have no idea what that means. Like, are you stuck in a embankment somewhere? Do you need to know, the phone number to... No, I shouldn't even say, like, Gamblers Anonymous, because whenever I post a FanDuel for the week, I always get hated on. Like, you're such a degenerate. But I literally risk, like, $30. Like, I think that's in my budget. And it's literally one bet a week. Mullen Automotive. I have no idea what that is. Automotive. Why would I be talking about automotives? The bot is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. We are green, $1,145 on the Santa special. Also, I need to post the Santa special when I get off this call. For my members, because I told them I would do it at the first of the year. David said yes, but you're really good. So David agrees that I'm a degenerate, but that I'm a really good degenerate. I just pick super conservative plays. And I don't do parlays, because parlays are whack. Oh, look where we are. We're right back to the range from Friday, since there was no market yesterday. Yes, everybody pretty much just follows what I'm doing. They run the same thing like every single day. Some people, once they've been in my group for a while, like I have some people that have been using my algorithm since 2020, they branch out and do, whatever they want. Sounds like people on TikTok are still drunk from New Year's. That's what Brendan said in YouTube. All right, what's going on here? Nothing much. All right, it's 10:26. I'm probably going to wrap it up. I will continue posting the results in the results tab on the settings spreadsheet for my members. 1145. The Santa, oil, ES, and NQ are going to trade in a little bit, so we will be on top of that. I will be posting on my social medias later today. And I'll make sure I show you guys my nails too, because I know you're super invested. Even though I'm so mad this one nail broke. Like, they were doing so well. Yeah, sure. I go live every single day. So B8880, feel free to join again. Yikes, that's a lot. What balance would you need to pay for the subscription? Yep, so the minimum amount that you need in your account, I typically say is $3,000. Again, this one strategy today is green, it was green like 1,500 at one point. And oil is already green 300. So on the day so far, green. But then if you include the pink, okay, so I'm going to include the pink. 7-3, you're still green $600. And then if you ran fast, but you can't run all of them because they're all overlap. But fast was another 1,100. But yeah. Even if you make $100 a day, you can cover the fees and commissions and still have about $800 to $1,000 in profit for yourself. So it sounds like a lot, but if you really break it down, there's 20 trading days every month, typically. And if you make $100 a day, that's $2,000. If you make $2,000 and then you pay me $1,000, and then you have fees and commissions, with your trades or whatever, then you're left with like $800 after the fact. So that's still really good for not having to do anything but turn on a button, like literally pushing a button every night. That's all you have to do. And if you can make $100 a day, then you're in the green. Even if you made like, $75 a day, you're close to like in the green or being break even. All right, well, I'm going to get off here. The algorithm trades a good part of the entire day. I only go live for about 90 minutes every day or 75 minutes, and that's it. So I'm going to get off here. It is 10:30. Thank you for joining. I will be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Please give me a thumbs up, tap the screen on your way out, and come back tomorrow, and we'll be there. We'll be there then. I love it. Why do people not like the mountains? The mountains are so pretty. Y'all are crazy. You guys don't like nature. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, make sure you follow me so you get notified when I go live. And if you want more info, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. All right. Have a good day. Bye. This is NinjaTrader. Bye. Have a good day. Bye, YouTube. Have a good day, YouTube. Thanks for joining. If you're in manual trading, the algo kicks off. Yes. If it's on the same account, Tom, yes. Again, you can ask me these questions in the group.